I went to Michael's a couple times this season and I passed this window pane decor piece and I wanted it. So I made it. I actually had this window pane in my stash. It was from the Target dollar spot, but you can always make one of these with 4 picture frames as well. And then I checked my stash and I have so many stems from Michael's grab bag, so I'm going to be using quite a few of them in this video. So I wanted this to have a wintry look, so I took off all the red berries, and so I just have some snowy looking leaves here, and you can easily take some from the Dollar Tree and spray them with some white spray paint, give it that snowy look. I cut it down and I'm using 2 of them. Now theirs was a little bit fuller, but I just went with more of like a little bit of a swag look on mine and just tried to make it as full looking as I could. And so I'm just going to do this on both sides. This is a very easy project, but oh, isn't it just so beautiful. I can't tell you, I just kept walking by that decor piece and thinking, oh, I should just buy it. But I was like, no, no, no. This is going to be so easy to make. And then I grabbed some ornaments from Dollar Tree. Those that pack there you see off to the right, it was like, it's almost like a velvety white, and so I'll just be using those white ones and glue everything down, and that's it. This was a super simple project, but I think it is so gorgeous.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart, and I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down round and round. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like these snowflakes.
The new Rokid Max AR Glasses with Rokid Station will take your entertainment experience to the next level. The Rokid Station is an Android TV and remote packed into this handheld device. You can use your glasses as is and still see everything around and about you, Or you can add this dark protector to get the full immersive experience. You can adjust the volume here as well as the brightness. These diopters here at the top, those you can adjust to get the clearest picture. These are great for those of you who wear prescription glasses. Here is where you can plug it into your Rokid station, and it is so easy to set this device up. Go to Google and type set up my device and then follow the prompts. And now you can enjoy like a smart Android TV and navigate through your favorite streaming services like Hulu and Disney Plus, play your favorite games from the Play Store, or watch your favorite YouTuber. I did try to record what I could see through my glasses, but it just did not do it justice. I really wish I could capture how amazing the visual and sound quality is, but you'll just have to take my word for it.
There's some Dollar Tree makeovers, best finds for 2024. Hold up. Roll. What do I do now?
Kind of roll and bounce. So you push
Okay.
to figure it out.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. I just had to. I just won a medal. Oh gosh, I'm rolling.
It took Little Miss about 1 minute to figure this out. Now she can watch her show while I watch mine, or vice versa. But what I would really like more than anything is just to crawl into bed with my dog and watch a movie. And now I can do so. There are so many more amazing features with the Rokid Max AR Glasses, and I'm really excited to be able to relax and use this Rokid AR Joypack. The Rokid AR Joypack is now on sale, and you can get discounts now and until January 4th, 2024. So check out the link in my description or my pinned comments to get yours today. I have made quite a few projects with these wood flowers here. They're some different sizes, and I knew I wanted to make a tree out of them. So again, this could be Christmas decor, but this is also could be year-round, and I am going to be adding it into my winter decor. I love these flowers. Those particular ones I had gotten were from Target in those bundles there, but I know Solo Wood Flowers has them, and I will make sure that I link places that you can get them. In my last video, I used one of these sign kits from Craft Deals. This is where it comes with like a wooden back, and then it has the sides, the frame that you can add to it. It's such a good deal. And then there you can see I made the tree trunk with actual little twigs. That's from the Dollar Tree, but again, you can get those from your yard. Now these kits come with just like a natural wood, which I really liked. And so when I put the frame on it, it definitely needed a pop. So I covered the frame in the antique wax by Waverly. So you're going to probably want to do that before you add it to the sign, but sometimes I just don't know until the whole project is complete, and then I go, okay, yeah, I do want to paint it. But again, another simple project. You can also use flowers like these that I got at Michael's. These are from Dollar Tree. You could do, there's all sorts of options. You could do them with silk flowers as well, but these like wood flowers are so cool.
Round and round, I'm falling for you, just like these snowflakes falling for you. Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
I grabbed these little wood houses and trees from Michael's. These little kits are so inexpensive. And then I painted them white with a Dixie Belle cotton. And now I'm going to use my little I see, you call it snowfall little puff paint. So you could use any kind of puff paint, but this particular one, once you heat it, it puffs up and looks like snow. You can find this kind of thing in the stamp section, like the rubber stamp section of your craft store, or I will link one that I found below because the one I'm using is old and thankfully still works that I got from Stampin' Up, but it gives a really cool effect. Or you could even use like the wood filler, the stucco filler, what's it called? Let me grab it. The spackling from Dollar Tree. You could do that as well. That will also look like snow. Then I grabbed this sign out of my stash. It's something I bought on clearance at Michael's, and it has that really pretty sage green. And I knew I didn't like the black, and I didn't want to paint it. So I found this piece of scrapbook paper in my stash, and it is the perfect color. And so I'm going to cut it down to size. Now, because that black is showing, I'm going to take some ribbon and glue it down the sides there so that you don't see the black part. This particular paper is gorgeous. I'm not sure where I got it because I have a mass amount of pattern paper, a ridiculous amount. And then guess what I do? I buy more. Are you guilty of that? Because I mean, sometimes there's just paper you cannot pass up. But I am proud of myself. I didn't buy any paper pads this Christmas because my Christmas paper is out of control. So I'm going to cut it down to size, and then I check out 2 different ribbons from my stash to kind of decide which one I like. And there was like a little silver one, and then there was a sage green one from Dollar Tree, and that is the one I went with.
You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real.
Now, this is a part where you could write like winter wishes or something, walking in a winter wonderland. I just had the Merry Christmas words from Michael, so I went with that because I am putting this in my Christmas decor, but again, it is a wintry project, so you can change up the words as you like. So, and now that I have all my wood pieces white and snowy, I'm just going to glue them along the bottom, and then I will also glue the words, and I used the color, let's see, just sage, yeah, from Folk Art chalk paint. I love that color.
You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright.
There was a couple choices there for your snowflakes. I liked the color of these ones more. And so these are from Dollar Tree. I think they had some really cool lights this year. I was very impressed. So I'm going to take these and put them all around my sign. And this looks so beautiful and glowy in my decor. I meant to take a picture last night when it was dark, but of course I got distracted. I get so distracted. So I do show you it like not lit up and lit up, and you can barely tell the difference in the daytime, but I can tell you it is a beautiful glow at night. And so I simply just hot glue the lights to the back, and this project's complete, and I just think it is so pretty. Okay, for this project you need 2 of these styrofoam circles from Dollar Tree and 6 stems. Now I only had 5, and then when I was all done with the project I found the 6th one. Because we're making a snowflake wreath, and so I got this idea from the Navage Patch on Instagram. And if you are not following this guy on Instagram, he is extremely talented and he's hilarious. His voiceovers are the absolute best. I would say he's #1 in voiceovers. They're very, very funny. So anyhow, you're gonna lay these out, and it is much easier if you have 6 because 6 is easy division, right? But I just have my 5 here, and I just press them down into the styrofoam there, as you see. And now I'm going to take the second styrofoam, and I want it to have the same grooves, okay? Because what we're going to do is we're going to use the styrofoam to sandwich our branches together, and this is going to make a really solid base, because if you tried to do it with like zip ties or something else, it would be very flimsy. So once I have my notches matched to the one before, I will go ahead and press the branch in there, the stem, and make an identical impression. Okay, now I am going to glue these in and sandwich it. Now in this part, what he did is he added all his branches at the same time, but I do it a little different. So I sandwich my big ones in, and then I just start adding more in. So this takes a more Christmassy look here in a minute, because I decide that I have way too many berries and stuff left over. And so I just start filling it with berries and different stems. And so I'm just going to jab them in and go all the way around. And I just kept adding and adding and adding, because I really just need to get rid of all these stems that I have. So this one, like I said, is going to have a more Christmassy look, but you can keep it wintry. So look how our snowflake is coming. It is gorgeous. And then I'm going to take some of these pine cones here. They kind of have a gold dusting, and I glue those down to the center, and that covers up our center. And I could still see some of the styrofoam, so I put some of this from Dollar Tree in there to hide it. And this is done. Now you could add lights if you like. That is what the Navage Patch did. I will share his down below so you can check it out. I hope this inspired you to decorate for winter, and you can keep up that Christmas tree and all the lights and still be warm and cozy. Until next time, happy crafting!